Hey, Russ Whitney here answering your Reddit real estate questions. This one comes from Gator Spear 55. Landlord Law Question. You know, when the word law is in there, I'm going to tell you we don't give legal advice. I can give you my experiences, but you should always check with an attorney first. And also, you should go to russwhitney.com for all types of more free information, training, video training, and you also get to learn who we are. Maybe you want to join our family. So here goes. I plan on buying multi-family home for my first home, also using FHA 3% down deal, okay? Found a 4-unit building I'm extremely interested in. All 4 units are currently filled. What are the laws regarding kicking one of the families out so I can establish residency as the owner? All right, there's 50 answers to that, depending on which state you live in. That can vary. What I would do if I was making an offer on this property, I would ask the owner for the leases. Do you have leases? The lease will explain whether they're in there for a year. Can the lease be broken because of a new sale or because of there's extensive renovations, etc. And or go to the owner and say, listen, I'm going to buy it, but you need to evict one of the tenants because I'm going to be the owner. That's where I would start. And any other advice, if I were you, I'd go to either legal aid or ask your attorney. Simple as that.